Welcome back everybody. So before I get on with the next project, I've got a few stickers in. So we've got the blue light turner, we have Dan from CDA Woodturnings, and we have Dave from Dave G Designs. So they will go up on the sticker board, and I'll have links down in the description for all of these. So yeah, be sure to go over and follow them. So the next project is, as you've seen in the title of the video, is I'm going to call it a honey pot, but unfortunately I'm not sure if it's a fail or not. I'm going to leave it up for you to decide. So I was kind of stubborn with the resin in this one. Now I wanted it to glow in the dark, which it does, so in that sense it's a success. On the other hand, it's a fail because it doesn't look like a honey. So yeah, that's up for you to decide. So, fail, not a fail. I'm kind of undecided. So down in the descriptions, I'll let you lot decide, and we can come to the conclusion together, I'm sure. But anyway, if you want to see how I made this fail, non-fail video, we'll do that next.
You were there to take it all. You poured it out into the ocean, 'cause you can't keep it when I fall. Yeah, when I fall. side to side. Don't always wait around. I've got a feeling I'm not the only one.